Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to add a promo code on the Kroger app for 2025. If you're looking to score some amazing deals on your groceries, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will have you applying promo codes like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Kroger app installed on your smartphone. Head over to your app store, update if needed, and then open the app. Once you're in, you'll need to log in to your account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to create. Just tap the sign up button and follow the prompts. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the main homepage. Look for the shopping cart icon or the Deals section. Depending on the 2025 update, it might be labeled as Promotions or Offers. Tap on that to see all the current deals. Next, find the option to add items to your cart or directly search for products you want to buy. Once you have items in your cart, look for a field that says something like Enter Promo Code or Add Coupon. It's usually located at the top or bottom of your cart page. Type in your promo code carefully, double-check for any uppercase letters or numbers to avoid errors. After entering the code, hit the Apply button. The app will then verify the code. If it's valid, you'll see a confirmation message with your discount applied, and your total will update automatically. If there's an issue, like an expired code, the app might prompt you to try another one. Pro tip: always check the promo code's expiration date before you start. And just like that, you're all set. Complete your checkout and enjoy your savings. This feature in the 2025 version of the Kroger app makes shopping even more rewarding. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy shopping!